Hi. Well, I guess you're here because you're looking for moving and handling equipment. Ceiling track hoists can be complicated to most people. I mean, what is an XY or a straight rail system, and which one do you need? Well, let me assure you, you're in safe hands. My name is Stephen Pritchard. I'm a T7 paraplegic, and this is my company. We provide solutions that are not just reliable, but work effectively to meet the needs of you, our customer. As a wheelchair user myself, I understand the importance of a consistent routine and how intrinsic it is that this equipment works correctly for you. So how do we work? It's a three-step process. First, we send out a representative to your home who will discuss the various options to you. Secondly, we'll send you a very competitive quote. And finally, should you wish to proceed, we will then arrange an installation date. At Enableliving, you have the peace of mind in knowing that we supply, install, and support our customers throughout the entire journey. So, if you'd like to arrange a free survey, click on the link below.